Hi, this is Abul Kalam. Today you are going to watch Coding Decoding Part 1. Range R-A-N-G-E. Range is coded as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gentle G-E-N-T-L-E. Gentle is coded as 4, 5, 3, 6, 7, 5. Question is, what is the code for rent? Okay, when you observe this is very simple question in coding decoding, because R is the first letter, here 1 is the first letter. So it is just a match, perfect match to the LHS and RHS. R is 1, A is 2, N is 3, G is 4, E is 5. So now what is the word we need? Rent. So R, what is R? 1. So what is the next 3 letters we need? E and T. Here we see E and T. So what is the value? What is the value for E and T? 5, 3, 6. Okay. So 1, 5, 3, 6. Or if you want to cross check, you can also do a cross check. Here E is 5. The last letter E, both of them are ending with E. E is 5. So this is the simple question in coding decoding. Shall we go for the next one? The next question is, if 134 is coded as good and tasty, 478 is coded as see good pictures. I am just writing abbreviation. See good pictures. 927 is coded as pictures or fraud. Now the question is given to us, what is the code for C? The code for C. Now this question is slightly different from the last question. Why? Because this question is quite different from the last question. Why? Because most of us think that this 1 is good, 3 is and 4 is tasty. But it is not necessarily true. Why? Because here what we have to see is the common between the first and second statement. What is common in the first and second statement? When you observe here, 4 is common. Okay, what is common in the right hand side? Good. So what do you understand? So 4 is nothing but good. So 4 is good. Now what is common between first and third? Nothing is common between first and third. What is common between second and third? 7 is common. Left hand side 7 is common. The right hand side what is common? Pictures is common. So what is the code for 7? Pictures. Now what is left out in the second statement? C. What is left out in the second statement? 8. So C is nothing but 8. Are you clear? Very simple question. Shall we go for the next one? If at is 20, bat is 40, cat 60, what is the code for dog? What is the code for dog? You want to try? Most of the students think that 20, 40, 60, 80, but not necessarily like that. Why? Because this value, this is 1 into 20. Just put the place value 1 into 20, 20. 2 times 1 times 20. 2 times 1 times 20 is 40. 3 times 1 times 20 is 60. And this is 4 times 15 times 7. 4 into 15, 60. 60 into 7 is 420. So the code for dog is 420. Dog is 420. 420 is dog. Okay, shall we go for the next example? Okay, the next case, it's a very simple one. So what we are seeing is each and every question we are just moving to the different type. Okay, the next question is, for example, if they give a question like this, if boy is coded as 15, if bus is also coded as 15, what is the code for girl? Most of the students, just by glancing this question, what they used to tell is, This is 3-letter word 15. This is 3-letter word 15. So girl is 4-letter word, so 20. So unfortunately that is not the answer. Write the place value here. 2 plus, what is the value of O? 15, and what is the value of Y? 25. Now put the plus in between. So just now add 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 2 plus 1, 15. So this is the way you have to do this question. So girl, how to do this girl? What is the value of G? G is 7, I is 9, and R is 18, and L is 12. Just put the plus in between. Once you add this 10, then 12, 21, 28. So the code for girl is 28. Sometimes the question maybe instead of girl they may give clerk, they may give some other word. Just use the same technique to solve this question. Shall we go for the next model? If Japan is quoted as 47, if China is quoted as 40, question is what is the code for India? Okay, this question, how to do this question? Just put the place value here. The value for J 10, A 1, P 16, then A1, N 14. Now add everything. 14 plus 16 plus 14, 30, 30 plus 2, 32, 32 plus 10, 42. But here they have given 47. How do you get 47? There are 5 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 letters in the word Japan, so you have to add 5. The same thing you have to do for China also. So in India, how to do this India? So this is I India, our India, right? India, I is 9, N is 14, D is 4, I is 9, A is 1. Okay, just you add everything. Once you add this 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 18, 28, 28 plus 9, 37. But 37 is not the answer. How many letters are there in the word India? So just you add up. So 37 plus 5, 42. Sometimes if they give a word England, just you count the total place value E, N, G, L, A, N, D. So count the letters in the word England, that you add it up. So this is the basic thing you can understand in coding decoding. So thanks for watching this video. Kindly do remember to subscribe this. Part 2 coding decoding also is released. Okay, kindly do watch both the videos.